GMT generally in every way that really matters, rose 42.29% in 7 days, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Will control GMT's by and large current cost activities, which for the most part is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN by and large is drifting at $688,912,110, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Truly current STEPN cost by and large is $0.62 the 14th of June 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for the following week and really attempt to answer these much of the time certainly clarified something. What is transient cost expectation for STEPN? Certainly is GMT a kind of wise speculation, which basically is very huge. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so forth, pretty fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping commonly sort of profound into the GMT specialized examination, explicitly in a real sense let us basically discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations and in every way that really matters, significant way. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours. There truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,058,986,395,016, which generally is very critical. The complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $28,914,442,597, which really is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%. Fundamentally further appearance how the extremely all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $28,914,442,597, which explicitly is very huge, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%. Really in spite of mainstream thinking, which is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM especially for the most part has seen a value reduction of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, which sort of shows that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as ETHEREUM by and large generally has seen a value decline of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, essentially sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time period, which generally shows that STEPN support and opposition levels and so forth in an essentially significant manner, which is genuinely critical. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP generally is somewhere around 9.41 and at present exchanging at 51 cents, or so they certainly thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally sort of is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. These occasions truly show that the market by and large is going in a quite descending course for commonly present moment. So XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP entirely, is somewhere around 9.41 and as of now exchanging at 51 cents in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a kind of broad exceptionally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they fundamentally thought. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to really distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a fundamentally significant manner, which is genuinely critical. Support essentially explicitly is a level at which purchasers sort of become most certainly commonly something else in every practical sense, dynamic and in a real sense most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction certainly basically is a level at which dealers fundamentally generally become move kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. Following fundamentally really are the help and opposition levels of STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN generally basically is at 62 cents, up 4.63% in the beyond 24 hours and essentially by and large has a value change of 42.29% over the course of the week, which for the most part truly is very huge. One day exchanging volume for BTC essentially by and large is $688,912,110.00 while certainly especially all-out market cap came to $369,248,871 Beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. They're sort of in a real sense are very nearly 600 million basically are available for use out of 6 billion. showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC all things considered is $688,912,110.00 US, while pretty all-out market cap came to $369,248,871 USD in an unpretentious manner. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Examination for the 14th of June 2023 inside an especially day-to-day time span in a real sense made sense of beneath, showing how support basically is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become commonly genuinely more lovely, truly dynamic, and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any really further in a by and large significant manner. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index, moving reasonably most certainly normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty commonly straightforward moving in every way that really matters, normal and dramatic moving sort of normal to sort of all things considered, dissect the future development of the STEPN, or so they in every way that really matters, thought, which is very critical. The in every practical sense, relative strength list shows that the GMT coin explicitly is close oversold zone, as RSI really is at 37, which fundamentally is genuinely critical, while GMT's Williams % R marker sort of is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange kind of truly signal fundamentally is essentially conceivable at this reach, showing how similarly obstruction generally is a level at which merchants fundamentally become move dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher in a fundamentally large manner. The MACD line certainly explicitly is remaining underneath of the in every practical sense signal line after a hybrid. Certainly further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN is drifting at $688,912,110 in a for the most part significant manner. STEPN financial backers need to generally hang tight for any directional change over the everyday outline. So bull control GMTs for the most part current cost activities in a by and large significant manner, in spite of mainstream thinking. According to the cost examination, the GMT cost might track down help at these significant degrees of 54 cents. 48 cents, moving beneath these levels could very carry the cost to 43 cents, showing how XRP, the really local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere near 9.41 and right now exchanging at 51 cents, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. On the very opposite side, the obstruction levels in every practical sense are at 65 cents and 70 cents. Entirely all expectations and purposes further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN truly is drifting at $688,912,110 in a fundamentally quite large manner. A bullish breakout from the above levels may for the most part lead the cost to the 75 cents, which in a real sense shows that various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM in every way that really matters, truly has seen a value diminishing of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, which sort of shows that various elective cryptographic forms